Moikka! Let's do another bite-size art journaling. I have had many comments that could you do this with some shapes? And of course, that is a lovely idea. Let's make some random shapes with the washi tape. And thank you for the comments. And here are my watercolor pencils, and I will use these because I just love these colors. I think these are beautiful and so much to choose from. So let's make some random shapes and then with the tape, and then I will color them and of course do the decorations. Now the little shapes are starting to fill up. Bright and beautiful colors. This section over here I have not used almost at all. So should we do some earthy colors too? But I kind of like the bright one right now because of the spring, of course. I am so excited. There's gonna be a lot of little areas to decorate soon. How does your spring look like? Are you excited about the summer? I am waiting for the long, long days that we have here in the north. And the midsummer sun, of course. Then it is time to make some art. This will be a happy spread. And now I am checking, is there some kind of spot that needs a little bit more color? And I think this screams a little bit darker in this corner. Just a hint. And I will do the same here. And here. Yes. And maybe I will do the same here with the blue. I love you. Blue, I love you. And there. Okay, I think we are done. And then I will use the water. And now, because I don't want to smudge the other previous pages and the next one, I will put something to cover the pages. So I will just put this in half. Cut. Not put, but cut. See, I'm learning. Look at my scissors. Aren't they great? Oh. And then I will put these like so. Then let's use the brush that came with the watercolor pencils. Some water, and then let's go. Beautiful. Let's take the towel so I can get the excess water of the brush easier. Then let's go over here. And the blending of the colors is the thing that makes the shape look more interesting. Always start with the lighter color and then the gradient becomes nicer. And it doesn't smudge like over here. Oops. But it's okay. If the color goes through the washi tape, it doesn't matter. It can be fixed later, like with a white acrylic pen if you want to keep your lines white. Okay, now this is starting to be ready. And now I will let this dry for a bit, and then let's do the decorations. Okay, now this is dry and this looks absolutely awful, but it doesn't matter. Let's make it nicer. And I am using some markers. This is a black Tomboy marker, and then there is a Winsor and Newton Pro marker. Color is pumpkin, and then I am using a white jelly roll, and this is golden marker pen, and this is Yono white acrylic pen. Then there is Winsor and Newton Pro marker pale pink. Here are lots of little areas to decorate, just whatever comes to mind. Do that. Try not to overthink it too much. I am starting with some white dot lines. And then let's do white bigger dots. And then some flowers or petals, like so. Let's continue with the orange. And then with some golden, this puts a nice effect to the bubble. I almost forgot, let's use this Ohuhu marker for the thin black lines. Let's make some black flowers. Like so. Let's make a happy swirl. Magic swirl. And this is a little puddly one here, so it takes a little bit to dry. So I try not to smash it. Let's add some magic dots. I think this golden one needs a bit of something, so I am adding some white dots to the edge. Like so. And then we are using some white over here. And this time inside the bubble. And now let's use the color shape and make this accordingly. And then we could make a little flower here. Like so. And what next? Maybe we could do swirl here. And of course, let's put the dots too. I do love these dots. And then some big golden bubbles. And some white to the center. Like so. Okay, I think I am done. Of course, I could be doing this for the whole evening, but now I will stop. I think this is nice the way it is. And I'm very relaxed. So, let's take off the tapes. And this is the fun part. Let's start from here. This looks rather cool, I would say. And there is not too much seepage. I think I will fix these because I don't want them to show. Okay, now it's finished and I'm really happy about this end result. And this was so much fun. And it really is truly different from, for example, this one. These shapes are actually quite awesome. But yes, I think I will use, next time I will use in my bite-size art journaling a bit more mixed media with some papers and gesso and such. Let's see how that goes. Then. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.